week 6, episode 5. All right, so yesterday we got to learn about the abstract expressionist Jackson Pollock, and today we're going to be doing a draw along video that's inspired by his drip style technique. Right, in just a moment, I'm going to switch that screen and we're going to get started on our inspired Pollock draw along video. At this time, if you want to pause the video, go ahead and do so. Today, I would recommend starting out with color. So start out using your crayons, markers, or your colored pencils. If you're gonna use the sketchbook app, or if you have another drawing app that you like to use, you can use that as well. Here we go.
All right, so we are being inspired today by Jackson Pollock and his drip style paintings. I'm gonna actually go ahead and start with a warm color palette. If you wanna do a cool color palette or primary, or secondary, you can use those colors. I'm just gonna stick with warm, and once again, remember, you do not have to copy me. Now, Jackson Pollock, he did those drip style paintings that had a lot of energy, right? Remember, these are all gonna look different. There's gonna be probably really hard for you to copy me. So I'm just gonna kind of do a lot of lines that have a lot of energy, okay? As that was what Pollock did. He put a lot of energy and rhythm into his paintings. And I know that you're like, Miss Garza, this looks like Scribble Scrabble, but remember, it's abstract expressionism. It doesn't have to look like anything, and it's kind of fun just to be able to, you know, create and not have to worry about it actually looking for something. We can just focus on the color and how the colors look together. All right. And I might go back to yellow later. So right now I'm gonna go to orange. Remember, you can use that sketchbook app as well as if you'd like, if you wanna do a digital drawing. But if you have, you know, crayons or markers or colored pencils or paint, you can do that too. So I'm just gonna keep creating my rhythm lines. Maybe I'll just go up and down for right now, or down and up with my orange. Make some fast lines, because Pollock's paintings looked pretty fast, right? And you can do a few of these and then maybe choose one that you like best to upload to the gallery, because you will be able to make a lot of these very quickly. So maybe do a few of them with different colors. Oh, I like that red. That red looks nice. Making very quick lines. I want to make sure that I fill the whole page. This is a pretty cool little, also like kind of like a pattern. Can you imagine this like printed on something? If this was like on your shirt, it'd look pretty cool, I think. Oh, I like that. I might go over it again and add some yellow with that first color. And if you're using the sketchbook app, you could play with the contrast and or the opacity, I mean, and make them kind of see-through. I'm gonna go back to yellow. Oh, I can use that yellow right there. I'm gonna add some more yellow. It's looking pretty cool. A lot of rhythm and movement. Looks like someone took the ketchup and the mustard bottle, right? And had a fun time with it. We could call this ketchup mustard fight or something. All right, the next color was it orange, I believe, right? I'll go do the orange. And I'm gonna go back with the red. I'm just gonna keep alternating those colors. I might add some black in a moment, or some more like neutral colors. It looks like a Pollock, kind of, right? A lot of fun. All right, now I will do some red. Making sure to move your hand really fast so you can capture that quick, fast movement that Pollock had also. If I add a neutral color, I'm just going to add a little bit because I don't want it to take away from all the other colors. I'm going to add just a little bit more yellow. Just in little spots where I think it needs it. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna move that little guy out of the way. All right, now I think I'm gonna go to black. I'm gonna just add a little hint of a neutral. Make little lines, you can make long lines. All right, that's looking pretty fun. Kind of like how the black contrasting, it's bringing out all those other colors. All right, I think I'm almost done. So I recommend probably doing maybe like 2 or 3 different ones and then deciding which one you think is the best. And if you want to share that with the art gallery, you can ask your parents or your guardian and they can email it to me. All right.
All right, I hope you had fun being inspired by Jackson Pollock, the abstract expressionist, and creating your own drip style technique artwork. Remember, maybe make more than one, and then if you want to share it for our virtual art gallery, ask your parents or your guardian to email it to me at the email below this video. All right, so this brings us to the end of our video. I will see you next week. I'm going to continue with abstract expressionism because there's a lot of abstract artists out there, and this week we only went over 2. So I will see you then. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Bye.